Israeli Ibarra, our school administrator, Mrs. Digna Ibarra, our school president, Pastor Vicente Ibarra, to my teachers, Teacher Amor and Teacher, our parents and my fellow graduates, my amazing teachers for being patient with us, helping us, and teaching us so many new things every day. Thank you for teaching me to share, to be kind, and to always try my best. Thank you to my classmates for being my best buddies every day. Thank you to Nanay, Tatay, Kuya Joaquin, and Baby Juancho for loving me and cheering for me. I love you all. This year, I learned so many important things. I learned how to read all by myself. I learned how to add and subtract, but I didn't just learn from books. I learned how to wait for my turn. I learned how to say sorry. I learned how to be a good friend. I learned that mistakes are okay because that's how we grow. I will bring all these lessons with me to first grade. My courage, my kindness, my curiosity, and my cute smile. Kindergarten is fun, but I'm excited to learn new things, make new friends, and grow even more. Happy graduation and congratulations to all of us!
Once again,